हम तो देख सकते हैं क्या मोबाइल में?
अभी हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं, देखो आपको रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है।
टिकट कर रहे हैं।
नदियों में चाय बागान। What is that? F-Pass is? We don't have good morning, what's up? मैं am Kandauri Gay. What's up people? I hope everyone's doing good. I am also doing good. Welcome back to the channel from Jirbam. This is the place where I stayed last night. This is how it looks, and I think sun is gonna rise from there. Weather is so much warmer here. So it was a crazy ride yesterday. So again one more crazy ride today. So we're gonna ride from Jiribam to Aizawl, which is going to be around just 1 kilometer shy from 200. So it's gonna be a long ride, and it's gonna take around 7 hours. And we are thinking of having breakfast on the way. So it's time update in the morning is 6:10 right now, and I got up at 5:30. So we're just getting ready.
Ready to move. क्या शानदार, ये इस कौन सा रास्ता है? ऐसा नज़ारा कहीं नहीं देखा।
Good morning everyone.
Good morning, Mr. YouTuber.
It's so fresh early in the morning, no?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Levakley. Time is 7 in the morning, and my odometer says 5,438 kilometers, and it's a quite chilly morning in Jiribam, but the weather is super fresh, man. This is what we wanted. And the one in the front, the police is escorting us. Thank you so much to the police. Yamna थागतचरी अखोइबो साइबो एस्कॉर्ट तबयोपगे अखोइ लमेन खंगबगे दे जस्ट हेल्पिंग अस. Thank you so much. चिना अखोइ मणिपुरी व्यूअर मैंगी वेदर से हम नुआई पुंग तरे तारे अखोइ से कनोदगी थोले जिरीबामदगी थोलेई कोई Aizawl lomdo jiksali aduga mayam for the first time yengbibo orgadi koi se ngarang Jiribam na yaure Imphal dagi aduga Aizawl chattoini koi ki Northeast Tri-State Road Expedition playlist le mani mamang yengjaga su kamai lapna khotna to yengbiromo aduga sida amuk yengbiro. I'm so excited. Our first stop will be petrol pump. 101 was the price, and just 6 liter done. Tank is full. Oh wow! First view of tea garden, huh? The road is crazy, man. I just want to throttle. This stretch is crazy. I love it, man. Damn, my GoPro hang for the third time, man. Now we are up in the hill of Assam for the first time on my eyes, and I'm loving it, man. And the roads are so crazy, man. So beautiful. I'm enjoying, man. I'm enjoying. We gotta take left from here, I think. We should stop here. What a view is this, Pazay. But just wanted to show you guys this, man. Lovely, man. The other side, some crazy Pazay, hey. Perfect. One like for this, guys. Of course I need a picture here. Definitely need a picture, man. Now he's got the. हो गया है?
जाएगा क्या?
नहीं हम तो मिजोरम जा रहे हैं।
क्या यूट्यूब में डालेगा क्या?
हाँ अभी हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं, देखो आपको रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं।
ठीक है।
हाँ देवसिंह करके द एक्सप्लोरर आ जाएगा। उस रास्ते का नाम देखो आ जाएगा तुम्हारा, ठीक है? नाम क्या है?
नाम बापन है, ये कृष्णनगर है।
हाँ
गाँव का नाम है।
ओह अच्छा अच्छा,
हमारे नजदीक में घर है।
ओके ठीक है, थैंक यू, आपने फ़ोटो लिया मेरा। ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल। जहाँ रुका नहीं तो क्यों नहीं रुका, हम तो रुक गए। आई फील इट गुड। Pazay photos, like all the photos. Don't forget to follow on Instagram. Let's go. They are all up. I have to chase them now. Us riding between these never-ending chai bagans is crazy, man. Ooh la la. Feeling is crazy. I'm seeing why I see Pazay. Pazay mita adam Pazay. So beautiful. Oh, for the fourth time, man. GoPro hung. Oh, let's put that here. बढ़िया है. Breakfast time, 8:30. I think this is the perfect time to have our breakfast.
That was some good strength, sir. मजा आ गया है.
हाँ.
Just entering Assam and suddenly roads all good, perfect, beautiful scenery. Garden was too good, all the tea gardens and everything.
You guys didn't stop, huh? I stopped there.
Where?
The bridge and the big river.
Yeah, what river is it?
I saw it.
Beautiful.
What river was it?
I don't know any.
River was really flowing, huh?
Yeah, it was big.
Nahin,
Not this time.
Just thinking, man.
Maybe a tributary of Brahmaputra or Barak river. Barak or Brahmaputra. Paratha char. Yeah, we are at Sonai. It's around 35 to 40 kilometers from Jiribam. We're having our breakfast right here. So it's on the way to Verangte if you're going to Mizoram. So mayam Somdagi lagadi Jiribam dagi lagadi Verangte side chat pulamir Sonai have a jagamle aduda 35 kilometers to 40. I'll show you a little bit of the space. This park here, charge going on, and our jeeps are there. The place looks like some Hotel Sunrise Mahid food world. We are ready to roll back again after some time. But look, I'll show you the condition of motorcycle. It's all gone. It's super dirty. Yeah, chain clean. This is chain clean. We'll spray this first. Loop down. We'll put chain loop there. Okay. ठीक है, thank you. Yeah, much needed breakfast, and can see some traffic. Khangdine hologram Maira Paibi singer band Kasar Assam. Okay. Kasar Assam. Anybody watching from Kasar Assam, comment down below. Mayam Kurumjari Kasar ki Maitai. Mayam waterfall. I'm in my relaxed mood. Cruise control on for the first time for Java Classic. Look at this dog. Cruise control fail ho gaya. Aizawl road, we took the shortcut from Jiribam, and now this road is coming from Silchar. There's some crazy drone shots here. I hope you guys like it. Nupi Lal. Some Manipuri function, my private function this year. Yeah, I know. Some Manipuri program like that. Asandi. So, my na koi Manipur ki, my tay ki. Kasara is my toe. It hung the arm. My tay. Ajana lay when side is the Nupi Lal. Kasi Nupi Lal to know. I do hung the image. May am side the over the Kasar. Filter the comment of some bit more. Hangagadi. I reply to the Laila Pur Aizol Road. Aizol किस साइड है? आइजोल ये कौन सा रास्ता है? अच्छा ठीक है चलो थैंक यू ओके थैंक यू कंफ्यूज चल रहा लेकिन ओके 140 किलोमीटर आइजोल टॉफी है बच्चा लोग का क्या क्या है ये क्या है ये क्या है हेलो गर्दन हिला रहा है ले रहा है मेरा इधर ही लिखा हुआ है ना कैसे कहाँ से
मैं यही का रहने वाला
अच्छा ये देवचंद एक्सप्लोरर सामने है
कैसे हो
मणिपुर
से
हाँ
और कितना आया आपके
वो जीप लोग गए अभी वो साथ में ही मेरा आइजोल जा रहा है आएगा वापस
पूरा मणिपुर में ना
मणिपुर से आया चलो थैंक यू okay finally toffees are loaded okay this is a checkpoint आइजोल साथ में ये सब आइजोल जा रहे हैं हाँ ठीक है mandatory checkpoint the first checkpoint I think we are in Mizoram I guess yeah that army guy said camera बंद करो so I had to add visuals this was like happened some few months back there was some fight I think yes this was all vehicles were burned down man some sad scene happening but thank God it's over Mizoram ये ILP यहाँ ले रहा है क्या ILP का कहाँ पे एक्सक्यूज मी ILP यहाँ पे मिलेगा और आगे ओके यहाँ पे क्या करना है व्हाट इज दैट वी डोंट हैव बाय रोड पास ना ओके then ILP is up there okay thank you so much tabak kar diya main that's off some crazy scene we have been here for last half an hour at Verangte this place and we are not able to move ahead there's some problem I think I have to end the vlog here I hope you like the vlog and if you like you know what to do like share subscribe and hit the bell icon if you're new to this channel and stay tuned for more because from here we're gonna hit Aizol let's see we have to wait for so many things just hope for the best things are not going right now but they have just stopped us for last half an hour but this is part of our journey so stay tuned for that and see you in the next vlog till now keep loving keep supporting Defin Explorer sign off bye bye from Verangte see you now I have to do my LP and I forgot to stop but I've just crossed the border the checking border but this police guy is like why kyun nahi roka you have to go back and do the LP so I have to go back and do it copy Aadhaar card xerox copy panchayat certificate xerox copy panchayat certificate okay and first we have to do registration here for ILP. Then we have to submit there.
One eternity later.
This is my ILP. And this is my vehicle pass. ILP was 350 rupees and the vehicle pass rupees. So total 400. Let's go. मत करो. देखो मगर start मत करो. Local Mizo guy. They want to try my.
ना मतलब भाई कहाँ मिलेगा साल दुकान ना तो साइलेंसर डबल तुड़ तुक कहीं कलाई दोन